As an annuity owner, you might be tempted by newer annuities offering better rates and features. But is replacing your current annuity the right move? New annuities can offer higher rates, especially if your current one was purchased during low interest periods. Enhanced income riders and market participation options can boost your retirement income. Updated features for longevity and healthcare can provide additional peace of mind. However, replacing an annuity isn't without risks. Surrender charges and penalties can reduce your investment. You might lose accrued benefits like death benefits or loyalty bonuses. New surrender periods and potential tax consequences could also offset the benefits of better rates. To decide, evaluate your current annuity's features and compare them with new options. Reflect on your financial goals and needs. Consult a financial advisor to weigh the pros and cons. Consider alternatives like purchasing an additional annuity or adjusting current features. While better annuity rates are appealing, it's crucial to consider both benefits and drawbacks. Make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals and retirement strategy, ensuring your long-term financial security.